Yo, what's up, man?
Hey, what's up, man?
Chilling. What's good with you?
Not much. Hey, do you know where I can find some Oromo food?
No, I don't really know.
Yeah, man, I've been eating this junk food and I'm tired of it.
Hold on, I can ask somebody. Hold on a second.
Okay, I'll hold.
Hello?
Yo, what's up, bro?
Hey, what's up, man?
Yeah, I'm trying to find where I can find some Oromo restaurant, man. Can you look on the Oromo Green page and tell me?
Yeah, sure, hold on. Yeah, I found one.
Oromo Green page, the official directory of Oromo businesses. For submission and more information, please go to oromogreenpage.com.